How to plan a hiking date for beginners, a complete guide for an enjoyable outdoor experience. Planning a hiking date is an excellent way to spend quality time with someone while staying active and enjoying nature. However, if you or your partner are new to hiking, it's essential to carefully plan the day to make it a fun and safe experience. From choosing the right trail to packing the essentials, here's everything you need to know to plan the perfect hiking date for beginners. 1. Choose an easy and scenic trail. When planning a hiking date for beginners, selecting a trail that suits both partners' fitness levels is crucial. Avoid trails with steep elevations or rugged terrains. Instead, opt for shorter, well-marked paths with scenic views, like waterfalls, forest paths, or lakeside trails. Local parks or national parks often provide beginner-friendly trails with detailed information on their difficulty level. Researching the trail ahead of time helps prevent surprises. Look for trails that take around 1 to 2 hours to complete to ensure the hike remains light and enjoyable. If possible, read online reviews to know what to expect in terms of scenery, crowd levels, and facilities. 2. Time your hike perfectly. Timing plays an essential role in planning a successful hiking date. Early mornings or late afternoons are ideal since temperatures are usually cooler and trails are less crowded. Keep in mind the estimated duration of the hike and add extra time for rest stops, photos, or conversations along the way. If sunset views are appealing, ensure you bring a flashlight or headlamp to navigate safely after dusk. 3. Dress appropriately for the weather. Comfortable clothing can make a significant difference in your hiking experience. Opt for breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics to stay cool and dry throughout the hike. Lightweight jackets are ideal for changing weather conditions. Encourage your partner to wear sturdy, comfortable shoes with proper grip, such as hiking shoes or running sneakers. Don't forget to check the weather forecast and adjust your clothing accordingly. Bringing an extra layer or a rain jacket is wise, even if the weather looks clear. 4. Pack light but smart. While it's essential to travel light, there are a few essentials you should pack for a beginner-friendly hiking date. Bring enough water for both of you to stay hydrated throughout the hike. Snacks like granola bars, trail mix, or fruits are easy to carry and make excellent fuel for energy breaks. A small first aid kit, sunscreen, and insect repellent are also smart additions to your backpack. If you plan to have a picnic or rest stop along the way, pack a lightweight blanket to sit on. Finally, carrying a map of the trail or having GPS on your phone is helpful, especially if the trail is unfamiliar. 5. Plan for breaks and fun activities. One of the best aspects of a hiking date is the opportunity to bond over shared experiences. Take breaks to enjoy scenic spots, take photos, or have meaningful conversations. Consider bringing a small picnic to enjoy at the trail's summit or beside a tranquil stream. These moments can create lasting memories and make the date more personal and enjoyable. If either of you enjoys photography, bringing along a camera or using your phone to capture scenic views adds an extra layer of fun to the date. Alternatively, bring binoculars if you're hiking in an area known for wildlife sightings. 6. Ensure safety and comfort. Safety should be a priority, especially for beginners. Make sure someone outside of your party knows your hiking plans, including the trail you're taking and your expected return time. Both partners should carry their phones with a fully charged battery for emergencies. Hiking with a first aid kit is essential, even on beginner trails, in case of minor injuries or discomfort. Additionally, know your limits. If either of you starts to feel tired, it's okay to take breaks or even cut the hike short. The goal is to have a relaxed, enjoyable time, not to push yourselves too hard. 7. Embrace the moment and have fun. The essence of a hiking date lies in the experience rather than the destination. Take the time to enjoy your surroundings, be present with your partner, and engage in meaningful conversations. Nature has a unique way of fostering connection, so use this opportunity to relax and appreciate the outdoors. Being spontaneous can also make the date more enjoyable. If you come across a beautiful spot, don't hesitate to stop and explore. Sometimes the best moments happen when you deviate slightly from the plan. 8. Follow leave no trace principles. Respecting nature is essential when planning any outdoor activity. Follow the leave no trace principles by carrying out any trash, staying on marked trails, and not disturbing plants or wildlife. Encourage your partner to do the same. It shows care for the environment and ensures that future hikers can also enjoy the trail. Conclusion: a hiking date is a wonderful way to connect with someone while exploring the beauty of the outdoors. For beginners, the key is to keep the hike light, fun, and manageable. Choosing the right trail, packing thoughtfully, dressing appropriately, and prioritizing safety will help ensure the day goes smoothly. Most importantly, embrace the moment and have fun, whether it's sharing a picnic with a scenic view or enjoying each other's company along the way. By planning ahead and considering these tips, your hiking date will surely be an unforgettable adventure.